How to boost a Facebook event step by step. To boost a Facebook event, first of all, you must create the event from Facebook business page rather than a profile or the personal profile. So go ahead and launch the Facebook application on your desktop. Because this feature is not yet available for mobile devices, make sure that you are on your desktop, and it will also be much more easier for you to access this panel. So once you open the Facebook application, make sure that you switch your personal account to business account. Once you do this, you simply have to now go ahead and locate your event by clicking the Events tab. You can also find the events by tapping on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Once you find this event from your event tab, you simply have to now go ahead and then click the blue Boost Event button located directly beneath the event's main cover photo. Select your ad objective, refine your creative, and define your audience, then proceed to set budget and duration. And now you simply have to select your ad account payment method and click the Boost Event now. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.